Hi everyone, my name is Elvis Torres and I'm the product manager here at LATICRETE International for the Concrete Remediation Division. I'm happy to announce a new product that we just released in February, and that is the 3701 Light Mortar and the Light Mortar R. So the rapid version over here and the standard conventional over here. But this is continuing the legacy of a product that we currently have, which is the fortified mortar bed, the 3701. This product has been renowned in the industry for its performance, and now this is the new innovation, the new evolution of that product. These products offer being light, half the weight of a conventional mortar. So at 30 pounds, they do the same coverage as a 60-pound bag. And also they're silica free. So anything dealing with dust, you can rest assured that this product is not gonna be, give you those harmful contaminants that you typically experience with other mortars. This product is fantastic for overhead and vertical applications. It's really what it was designed for. It's a big gap that we had in our line, which is now, filled in and then some. So, I mean, great for overhead, vertical, patches, wall renders, whatever you can throw at it, it's great. Great workability because of its lightness, and also application, it's fantastic. It's polymer modified, so it sticks like crazy. All you need to do is add water and you'll be set. The rapid version gives you everything the standard version does, but with a little bit more of the speed. So in approximately 2 hours, once the product is placed, you can go start tiling and doing whatever you need to do. But one great thing about this product is that it's very, very durable. So it has this freeze thaw capability, so it can be used interior, exterior, not a problem, pools, whatever you can throw at it. And also it can be used as a mortar bed as well. So having that dual purpose fills in a lot of voids for our contractors. So either if you're repairing, doing wall render, or doing a mortar bed for a shower pan, whatever you can do, this product is gonna be able to fill those gaps for you. So there's a lot of information online. Please check out our technical data sheets. Any questions, please let our technical service team know, or leave them on this video and we'll answer them as they come. But I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to your reviews of the product. It's received nothing but good reviews until now. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll continue to come out with these awesome products. Thank you.